Hi, in the zoo of the district Bahawalpur, we find and discuss about the Reeves pheasant. Reeves pheasant is one of the striking birds known for its colorful plumage. The zoological name of the Reeves pheasant is Spermaticus reevesi. The male has long bare tail which can reach up to 2.5 meters. That can make up to one of the longest tail feather in the world of the bird. The male Reeves pheasant is beautified with black, white and golden feathers, making them a shining appearance. The female have less colorful and having brown and black plumage, providing excellent camouflage in their natural surroundings. The diet of the Reeves pheasants include fruits and seeds. They play a significant role in the seed dispersal, contributing to the forest regenerations. By feeding on insects, they help control insect populations, which can be beneficial to maintain the health of the ecosystem. The presence of Reeves pheasant indicate a healthy biodiverse environment. Conservation of this species help in the protection of the large area of forest because they help in the regeneration of forests by dispersal of seed, which can benefit many other species. Reeves pheasant is currently classified near threatened by the IUCN due to the habitat loss and hunting pressures. Conservational efforts are crucial for ensuring the survival of this beautiful and ecological significant species. Reeves pheasants do not have a significant medical importance to human, however, they can be the indicator of environment health as their presence reflect the state of their forest habitat. Reeves pheasant is native to central and eastern China. They prefer mixed forests and woodlands, particularly with dense vegetation and bamboo thickets. They prefer area at elevation of 200 to 2600 meters, where they can find ample food resources. Reeves pheasant can also be found in many other regions of the world. Reeves pheasant move in their habitat in response to seasonal food availability and weather conditions. They seek out areas with dense vegetation for cover and roosting. During the colder months, the Reeves pheasant become less active and spend more time in sheltered areas to conserve energy. Reeves pheasants are naturally shy, often hiding in dense vegetation when someone approached. This behavior makes them difficult to visible in the wild. In the defensive behavior of the Reeves pheasant, the cryptic colorations provide excellent camouflage, especially during nesting. This helps them to protect and their chicks from predators. Although primarily ground dwellings, Reeves pheasants can take short and quick flights to escape from the predators. They prefer runnings when disturbed and take flight if necessary. The organismic classification of Reeves pheasants include Kingdom Animalia, Phylum Chordata, class Aves, order Galliformes, family Phascidae, genus Spermaticus, species Reevesi. Reeves pheasant primarily foraging on the ground, scratching through the leaf litter to uncover food. They use their strong beaks and legs to scratch on the grounds and dig on the grounds and search for fruits, seeds, leaves, shoots, small insects and invertebrates for food. Reeves pheasants are omnivorous. This omnivorous diet helps them to adapt seasonal variations in food. The Reeves pheasants consume a wide range of plant materials and insects, which provides essential nutrients to them. Reese pheasants is notable for its colorful appearance, especially in males. Reese pheasants exhibit significant sexual dimorphisms. Males are being larger and measuring up to 210 centimeters in length, including their extraordinary long tails, while females are smaller and typically around 0.75 centimeter in length. The male Reese pheasants weigh between 1.5 to 2.1 kilograms, while females are lighter and weigh about 0.75 to 1 kilograms. Male Reese pheasants have golden yellow head with contrasting black mask which covers around the eyes and reaching up to their throats. The tail is one of the most significant features of the Reese pheasants. The tail is long and composed of 18 tail feathers, and the central tail feather can extend up to 1.8 meters in length. The tail feathers are paired with alternating black and white bands, contributing to the most striking feature of the tail. Female Reese pheasants are less colorful and have cryptic colorations with brown and black plumage, which provides excellent camouflage against forest floats, which provide protection from attack of the predators. The beaks of Reese pheasants are short, strong, and slightly curved, adapted for their omnivorous diet. The eyes are dark, rounded, and surrounded by hairy skins. The eyes can be red or pink, especially in males during the breeding season. The legs of the Reese pheasants are strong and well adapted for scratching on the forest floor to uncover the food. They are usually grayish in color. Male have spurs on their legs which are used for fight with other males, especially during the breeding season. Reese pheasants exhibits a variety of behavior that are essential to its survival and reproductive success in the wild. Reese pheasants communicate through vocalizations. Male produce loud and repetitive calls to defend territory and attract females. Both male and female Reese pheasants use softer calls such as clucks and coos to communicate with each other and with their chicks. When threatened, male Reese pheasants produce alarm calls to warn others from potential dangers. Male Reese pheasants perform courtship displays to impact dominance and attract females. These displays include fanning their long tail feathers, puffing up their body feathers, and making loud calls. The fertilization in the Reese pheasant is internal. The male transfers sperm into the female's body through a brief local kiss. The female Reese pheasants select nesting site to lay her eggs. The selecting site is dense vegetation to protect the nest from predators. The nest is simple and covered with leaves and grasses. Females Reese pheasants lay 6 to 12 eggs. Females are responsible for incubating the eggs and caring for their chicks. The incubation periods last about 24 to 25 days. The chicks of the Reese pheasants are precocious, meaning they are mature and walking shortly after hatching from the eggs, but they stay with the mothers for protection and guidance from the predators. Stay with us to learn quality knowledge with the thinkers of biology. See you soon. See you next Sunday. Bye.